Hello friends, Jai Hind friends, you are most welcome to Chitran's Farrata English classes, okay? Today we will discuss about the eight beautiful, marvelous, much inspiring, very beautiful, amazing quotes of our national pride Chandrasekhar Azad ji, okay? Chandrasekhar Azad ji is known as the first freedom fighter of our great India, our beloved India. He is known for his valor, unbeatable courage, unbeatable, uncomparable valor and courage and firm determination, unbreakable firm determination. Chandrasekhar Azad ji, also known as the first freedom fighter of our beloved India. Okay, so please, my utmost request with you to please be with me till the end of this video, so that I will tell you, we will discuss you much more very amazing, very interesting, fantabulous, fantastic, fantabulous, amazing facts and beautiful sayings, marvelous quotes of our national pride, our national hero Chandrasekhar Azad ji. Okay, Chandrasekhar Azad ji, his slogan was, ऐसी जवानी किसी काम की नहीं जो अपनी मातृभूमि के काम ना आ पाए. The youth who doesn't dedicate his entire life for the sake of his motherland, who doesn't cooperate for the overall development of our mother India, his entire life, his youth, his courage, his valor, his entire life is vain, waste, of no use. Okay, so we should always be much faithful about our motherland. We should be adore our motherland, adore our mother India. We should always be ready to sacrifice each and everything. Super sacrifice means to sacrifice even our life for the sake of our motherland, for the sake of our beloved mother India. Okay, so this was his beautiful slogan. Okay, one thing which is very amazing and very fantastic, fantabulous, which is a matter of pride, that our great freedom fighters, who martyred his life, who made super sacrifice, who sacrificed his life for the sake of our India, for the sake of our independence, for the sake of our beloved nation. Their age was between 22 to 24. Okay, like our Khudiram Bose, when he was hanged by the Britishers due to his freedom movement, participation in freedom movement, his age was only 18. At the age of 18, he was hanged by the Britishers. Okay, Khudiram Bose made super sacrifice. His life, he sacrificed, martyred himself for the sake of our independence, for the sake of our mother India. In this way, we will discuss about that. Shahid-e-Azam, our great Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev was also martyred at the age of 22 or 23. Okay, and our national pride, our Virangana, the Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai, he made his super sacrifice. He was martyred, he was killed for the sake of our nation, our motherland, our mother India, our independence. When she was martyred, her age was only 22 to 23 years old. Okay, and our Chandrasekhar Azad ji, our national hero, our pride, our valor, our honor, our most adorable personality of our independence movement, Chandrasekhar Azad, has made super sacrifices, sacrificed his life for the sake of independence, for the sake of Mother India, for the sake of our nation. At the age of 24, he was killed by the Britishers at the age of, he was shot dead by the Britishers when he was at the age of 24 in Prayagraj. Okay. So we will note in the diary of our mind that our national heroes, our great personalities of our India, our great freedom fighters, they has written the unbeatable, unbreakable, unconquerable golden history of valor, history of super sacrifice, history of courage, history of wisdom, history of love, uncomparable love towards motherland, towards nation, and on the forehead of time, at the very early age, early age. Ages have passed, years have passed, and weather have passed, weather has changed, but they are the stories of the great noble stories of their super sacrifice is still unbreakable, is still unforgettable, still live, still shining, still memorable. Okay, and we pay our very big salute, our very big pranam to such great freedom fighters like Chandrasekhar Azad ji, like Bhagat Singh ji, like Rajguru ji, like Sukhdev ji, like Virangana Rani Lakshmi Bai ji, like Khudi Ram Bose ji, like Bismil Ram Prasad Bismil ji, and thousands of known and unknown freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the sake of our Mother India, for the sake of our motherland, for our independence, for our freedom movement. Okay, so we should pay our red salute, we will pay our very big pranam to such brave, noble freedom fighters who has sacrificed, who has martyred their life, who has made super sacrifice for our independence movement, for our Mother India, for our motherland, for our great beloved nation. Okay. So let us continue our discussion about the most beautiful, most amazing, most marvelous, most fantastic, fantabulous, amazing, inspiring quotes of Chandrasekhar Azad ji. Okay. So when Jallianwala Bagh accident was happened in Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, Punjab, Chandrasekhar Azad was only 15 years old, and he was much affected. He was much. He felt much pain to see that Jallianwala Bagh Kand. Then he said, कि अगर इतने पे भी तुम्हारा खून नहीं खोला तो तुम्हारा खून नहीं पानी है. And seeing the means, seeing the very torture, seeing the torture, seeing the painful incidents, seeing the brutal activities of Britishers, English people, if you are not angry, if you are not ready to jump in the freedom movement, if you are not ready to make super sacrifice for the sake of Mother India, for the sake of freedom movement, for the sake of our great beloved motherland, then there is no blood inside your entire body. There is water flows in your veins. You have no life. Your life is vain. Your life is waste. Your life is of no use. Okay. Next, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी कहते हैं कि प्रतिदिन अपने बनाए हुए रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ो, क्योंकि सफलता अपने आप में एक लड़ाई है. He says, Chandrasekhar Azad ji, our national hero, our pride, our national pride, Chandrasekhar Azad ji says that break, always ready to break your records per day. Don't stop when you make only one record, one you achieve any one thing in your life. So do always be always effort, full of effort. Be always ready for innovations, for new ideas, for new wisdom, for new innovations, for new techniques, new technologies, and break your own record in the field whichever you have selected for your life. Always ready to put a new record before the world, before the nation, before the people, before the society. Because life is because success is always attained by fighting, by winning the battle. Okay, so success is always a battle. It is made, it is conquered due to struggle, due to hard work, due to uninterrupted struggle, uninterrupted work culture. Okay, next, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी बोलते हैं कि महान ऊंचाई प्राप्त करने के लिए हमेशा जीवन में कुछ सार्थक करना चाहिए. चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी says that if you want to attain some very marvelous achievement, you very big achievement, very big height, very big target, you want to beat any battle, so you should have to take some essential but wisely knowledgeable risks in your life. Because without taking risks, you can never attain success in your life. So likewise, all the great peoples, all the great scientists, all the great heroes, all the great personalities of our great India or the world, they have always taken risks in the field which they have selected, which they have chosen for their own life. They have taken risks, they had done uninterrupted work, hard work, labor, innovations. They had followed new techniques, new technologies. They had unbreakable. They have experiences, experiments. They had made uninterrupted, unbreakable experiments after taking risks. Because there is no gain without taking pain. You may say, without risk there is no gain in your life. You can't achieve any success without taking risk. Take risk, but very wisely, but very skillfully, but very thoughtfully. Okay, so always you should follow your steps very wisely, very thoughtfully, very attentively, very knowingly. Okay, then you will be able to create golden history of success, history of valor, history of wisdom, history of experiments, history of achievements. Okay, so this is only when you will take risk in your life. Okay, next. चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी कहते हैं, मैं ऐसे धर्म को मानता हूँ जो स्वतंत्रता, समानता और भाईचारा सिखाता है. Our national pride, our national hero Chandrasekhar Azad ji says that I trust in such religion who teaches us a lot about independence, who teaches us about brotherhood, who teaches about equality. If any religion teaches us brotherhood, love, carefulness, and friendship, brotherhood and equality among all the races, colors, and religions in the entire world, then I trust in such religion. Okay, so indirectly Azad ji says that we should be respectful, we should always adore such religion which teaches us about independence, which teaches us about equality, which teaches us about brotherhood, friendship, love and carefulness. Okay, next. It's very famous, very fantastic, fantabulous, amazing and matchless saying of Chandrasekhar Azad ji. You know, his original name was Chandrasekhar Tiwari. But saying his valor, saying his courage, saying his strong willpower, an English soldier has given his name Azad. Azad means free. Azad means freedom. The man who never cares about any foundation, that is called Azad. That's why Chandrasekhar Azad ji is known and considered and is popularly known as Azad, Chandrasekhar Azad ji. So Chandrasekhar Azad ji says, when by trial, when Chief Justice says, Chandrasekhar Azad ji, that what's your name, what's your father's name and where do you live? Chandrasekhar Azad ji very bravely, very courageously, very frankly, he said that my name is Azad, means I am free. My father's name is Independence. My father's name is Independence, and the place where I live, my house is jail. Okay, prison. Okay, that's so. Seeing his answer, seeing matchless answer, all people were very shocked. They were very surprised that such a brave personality Chandrasekhar Azad ji is. Okay. चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी सेज दैट मैं जीवन के अंतिम सांस तक देश के लिए लड़ता रहूँगा. चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी सेज दैट I will fight for the sake of our mother India, for the sake of our nation, for the sake of motherland India, for the sake of independence of our great India till the last breath of my life. He says that he will live for India and he will die for India. His entire life is his entire breaths are subjected to the freedom of our great India. Is the independence of our India. Chandrasekhar Azad ji has truly said that he lived for India and he died for the sake of our motherland. See, he died. He made super sacrifice. He was martyred for the sake of Mother India, for the sake of our Indian independence, for the sake of our Indian movement, for the sake of our freedom, our entire free life. Okay, so next, it is the most popularly known saying of very popular, matchless, marvelous, fantastic, fantabulous, amazing, most surprising saying of quote of our national pride चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी, that दुश्मन की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आज़ाद ही रहे हैं, आज़ाद ही रहेंगे. Chandrasekhar Azad ji says that I am always ready to face the attack of bullets of Britishers, the bullets of invaders, the bullets of and the tortures of Britishers, for the sake of our national movement, for the sake of our beloved India, for the sake of our mother India, for the sake of our motherland. No bullet can affect me, no bullet can afraid me. I am never scared of any bullet, I am never scared of any tortures or whatever the Britishers do with me. Because I am determined to fight till the last breath of my life for the sake of our motherland, for the sake of our great mother India. Then he says, आज़ाद हैं, आज़ाद ही रहेंगे. He says that I lived my life freely, with freedom. I will live till the last breath of my life as free. I am slavery. I will never accept slavery. I will never accept any wrong compromise. I will never accept any wrong thing in my life. Okay, so he said that there is no power of the entire world who can make me slave. I am always free. I will live freely. I have lived as Azad and I will die as Azad. No one can make me slave. Okay, so his confidence, his glory, his valor, and his self-confidence is very adorable. We should pay our red salute to such a national pride, national hero of our mother India, our motherland, like Chandrasekhar Azad ji. तो चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी has written such, and he was such a great history of unbreakable courage, unbeatable confidence, uninterrupted his struggle for the independence movement, and he is always known as for the making of his super sacrifice, for his martyrdom for the sake of our mother India. And he was truly freedom. He was truly Azad in all senses of his life. He never compromised with any Britishers. He never compromised with any invaders. He never compromised with anyone in his life. He lived freely, he died freely, he lived for the sake of Mother India, he died for the sake of Mother India. His contribution for the national movement, his contribution for the independence movement, his contribution for the super sacrifice, his martyrdom is always and ever more memorable, very adorable. We pay our big pranam, we pay our big salute, we pay our red salute, we pay much very big salute to Chandrasekhar Azad ji. He has written the history of courage, the history of valor, the history of confidence, the history of strong willpower, with the golden pen on the golden diary of time, that cannot be forgotten by any means. Okay, So please note, always note the sayings of the beautiful, marvelous sayings of our great Chandrasekhar Azad ji, and note down it very carefully in the diary of your mind. Okay, and beautify your marvelous comments, your beautiful comments in the comments box, and put your like also. Okay, तो जय हिंद, जय भारत.